Copper, bitch. Hey, cheap bitches, I'm Rob, and this is On the Cheap Tip, and today is another episode of Does This Really Work? Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that not too long ago, I hurt my elbow, like really bad. I was teaching one of my students how to do a death drop. This my shit. And then I just end up hurting myself. What the hell am I doing a death drop for? Am I trying out for RuPaul's Drag Race? Not anytime soon. At this age, I'm grateful that I'm just not in a walker. But I did hurt myself and I ended up going to the hospital because I thought I broke my arm, but it turned out that I just really badly bruised it, or so they say. But a month later, this was still hurting. So I told this to my dad, and my dad recommended that I use copper.
Say what?
What are you talking about, Dad? Well, apparently, copper has been known to help ease pains and joint pains. I did not know this. There has been tests proving that when the copper was touching our skin, we were absorbing the copper into our skin, and apparently that helped ease our joint pain. I don't know. Science is, not my thing. I'll take their word for it. My father is a very firm believer in this. He has 2 rings that are copper, and he says that it helps with his, what is that called? Osteoporosis? No, I forgot. What is that thing you get when your hands clamp up? Arthritis. Oh my God. I step away from this camera for 1 week and I don't know how to talk. And my father also has these no, I shouldn't show the brands. I'm not sponsored. These bands that go around your limbs or like knees or wherever you need it. This band has like copper fibers in it. I mean, I don't really see it. It just kind of looks like nylon to me, but what do I gotta lose? So I put this baby on my arm. It looks kind of like a arm condom. And as soon as I did it, my pain was gone. I was like, what? Where did the pain go? And my arm started to tingle. What is this feeling that's coming over me? Is that you, God?
God, is that you?
It's magic. Now, I'm not sure if it was just all in my head, but it did something for me. I was able to actually do exercises and teach my dance classes with ease and not feel the pain. Until a couple weeks later, it just stopped working. What happened? How come you stopped? I don't know if I used up all the copper power that was in this thing, but it was not working anymore. That led me to believe that this may be a gimmick kind of thing. This band is very cooling. The initial feeling of the pain going away may have just been the cooling sensation that was affecting my joints. Maybe I need to use rings to see if that works. Maybe the mind is actually what is the more powerful thing. It's very interesting what the mind can make you believe and how it affects your body. All in all, this thing stopped working for me. The one thing that I really found that worked was just wrapping it up and decreasing my mobility so that it could actually heal again. So in the end, does copper products work to help heal your joints? If you believe they do, I think it's all in the mind of the beholder. I'd say save your money. Just put some pennies on your body. Anyway, that's my whole cheap tip. I hope that you liked it. I hope it was informative, and I hope I didn't disappoint you too much. But if I did, you could comment down below and let me know, and you could also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bye! I don't wear any pants when I make videos. Woo! Balls hanging out everywhere. What was I supposed to be talking about? It's copper. It's copper. Copper,
bitch.